this is the exercise number 12.2, fourth problem. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters subtends a right angle at the center. Chord of the circle. Now, this is the chord of the circle. It is given as AB and center of the circle is O. This chord of the circle subtends an angle 90 degrees at the center. This is the center, this angle is 90 degrees. That is theta is 90 degrees. Find the area of corresponding to first minor segment. Minor segment. Okay, now segment is, I am highlighting with the blue pen. This is the minor segment. So, area of minor segment is equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle. Okay, now let us see what is the minor sector. This is the minor sector. This total I am highlighting with the radius, this red pen is minor sector. And area triangle is, I am highlighting with the green pen. This triangle. Okay, now this is your sector and this is the triangle. So, from total sectors area minus sectors area, if we subtract triangle area, we will be getting the area of the minor segment. Okay, now for minor sector, area of minor sector we have to find out. Area of minor sector is pi r square theta upon 360 degrees. Okay, now it is a right angle here. So, r is given as 10 centimeters. Theta is 90 degrees. So, 22 upon 7 into, here it is given we have to take 3.14 problem. Pi's value we have to take 3.14. Okay, 3.14 into 10 into 10 into 90 upon 360. Okay, 0, 0, 9 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are, and 2 5s are. Okay, 90, 5 5s are 25 into 3.14 here. So, we will be getting 78.5 centimeters. Okay, now sectors area we have got. So, here right angle triangle is formed. This triangle I am highlighting with the here. This triangle is a right angle triangle. This is 10 centimeters. So, this triangle area we have to find out. Area of triangle is equal to half into this is OA. OA and OB. Sides containing right angle. OA into OB. Half into 10 into 10. 2 5s are 50. Half into 10 into 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are centimeter square. So, area of minor segment is equal to A segment का. सेक्टर का आई है 78.5 माइनस 50 इज इक्वल टू 5 8 माइनस 0.5 3 7 minus 2. Okay, 28.50 centimeters 78.5 and 50. 28 minus 50, 28.5 centimeter square. Okay, this is the area of the minor sector form. But we have to find out the area of major segment also. Area of major sector. Area of major sector. Okay, how will you area of the major sector? Area of the major sector is area of major sector is equal to area of circle minus area of minor sector. Okay, now this is the circle. Okay, this is the sector. Okay, which I will be highlighting with the black pen is the major sector. This is the major sector. ये कैसे आएगी, सर्कल की एरिया से, दिस इज द सर्कल, ये सेक्टर को निकाल दिया है तो ये आएगी सेक्टर. ओके, नाउ एरिया ऑफ सर्कल इज पाई आर स्क्वायर. ऑलरेडी वी हैव गॉट हियर माइनस सेक्टर एरिया इज 78.5. ओके, पाई आर स्क्वायर माइनस 78.5. So 22 upon 3.14 we have to take. So 3.14 into 10 into 10 radius minus 78.5, 31400. So these two will be cancelled because two decimals are there. 78.5, 200 and if you subtract 235.5 centimeter square. So therefore area of major sector is 235.5 centimeter square and minor segment is 28.5 centimeter